Hello guys, today we are going to see how to replace laptop screen for Lenovo Ideapad 320 15-inch. For that I have already purchased new screen and I have purchased it from laptop lcdscreen.co.uk. So now we are going to see how to get it replaced. For that purpose I have already removed the panel for the screen, see here, and I am keeping this aside. Also I have removed the screws, 4 screws from 4 corners to just unscrew the screen as shown below, so we can move it down just like this. And before that I have already removed the battery for the laptop and I have disconnected power connections from the laptop. Now we are going to remove the cable from this old screen. See here how to remove this. Just unclip it and just move to the upward side. So you can remove this cable and then keep this older screen aside. Now I am going to take this new screen and then plug in the cable. Let's see. So you need to plug in the cable here and just put this clamp as shown and ensure it's properly fitted like this. Now we are going to just fix the 4 screw at the corner. So I'm just aligning the screen. Now I am going to fix the screw at the 4 corners. Like this. Now we have to put back battery and need to try just like if it is working or not. You need to remove the back cover for this and just put your battery as is like before. So you need to screw the battery. There are 4 screws. You need to tighten it properly like this. And it is done. Now we have to put on the cover and tighten this screw. So I have fixed all the screw now. Now we need to test it. Now I'm going to put on the power. And now it's working. So we have replaced, it's successfully. Now we need to put it the frame on the screen. So after fixing the frame, we have successfully installed the replace the screen for the Lenovo laptop. So you can purchase it from the, I have mentioned the site, and I am also just referring that URL into the video description. Okay, for your reference. Okay, thank you.